Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will see the EC2S HANA integration as well as replication. What is actually the replication in SAP? So basically replication is either BTP BIB based or PTP replication, and using this replication you can either reproduce or replicate the data from EC2 S4HANA or EC to other ECP applications. So this is actually seamless solution given by SAP. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and also like this video so that it would give me some motivation to create similar such videos in future as well. So next we will see about the EC2 S4HANA integration, how it works. So basically the first thing is that okay, the query program, which is this is ERP system, this is middleware, and this is employee central. So the first thing what happens is that in the first step, the query program it gets executed on the ERP side. Then it creates the outbound web service, get employee master data and org assignment bundle replication query. So this query is the first step which gets executed on the ERP side. Then this query is pushed to middleware. That could be as your CPI or as cloud platform integration, that is middleware, standard middleware given by SAP. Then when this query data is it uses the compound employee API query. So the compound employee API query is another standard web service given by SAP. Once it comes to middleware, it goes back to employee central to fetch the data. So it goes to employee central to fetch the data. Then what happens, it collects the data, this compound employee API query. Then it goes with W code, write code, and it reaches in back into the uh, ERP system, and its inbound web service, it calls employee master or bundle replication request. So the request has been received. Then fifth is the event. Okay, and after that event what happens, it processes there is called something called a staging area. Staging area is something that okay, where you cannot uh, uh, replicate the data at the same time, so it gets saved into the staging tables, and after that it gets written into ERP system. So the fifth step, then we have the sixth step, it checks for any K mapping. So K mapping is like that okay, there are some chances that you don't have the similar kind of data structure in ERP system as well as employee central system. So it does K mapping, and then it uses input type framework. As you know already aware, SAP uses a new input type framework that is called as decoupled input type framework. So there are a little bit changes which SAP is actually trying to pull these days. Then after this six business integration, so basically after K mapping, BIP based integration, business integration builder decides what is the current value for that field and what is the new value which is coming from employee central side, and it uses that business integration builder. And then it uses input type framework, and then this input type framework uses organizational management, okay, assignment, and then it once it is everything is written back to the staging area for org assignment as well as employee master data, then this particular query last with outbound web service called as employee master data replication confirmation. So everything is done here, and now the replication confirmation is going back to middleware to send the confirmation to employee central. So the thing is that uh, employee data or org data which has came to ERP system, that is going with confirmation to data replication monitor, and you can see in the data replication monitor uh, the employee and the org assignment has been replicated over there. So basically, in some situations, this web service is not working properly and you don't get the confirmation, only it is stopping until here. So there could be some chances on that. So this is about EC to S/4HANA integration, Employee Central System, to with using the middleware and using the tool that is Business Integration Builder. So this happens like this. These are the basic steps in EC to S/4HANA integration. We'll move to the next kind of replication. Okay, so this BIP-based integration is uses the FTSD, that is called as full transmission start date. Generally, if you can see here, the full transmission start date should be the go live date for that particular project. Okay, and it is recommended by SAP to not change the full transmission start date once it's assigned. Obviously, there are some other KBAs are available where you can change the FTSD in letter also. So this is also possible, but FTSD should not be changed, again and again. So that is what SAP is saying. So this plays again a vital role because this you need to decide this full transmission start date. So basically this fetching the query will be fetched up based on this date. So any data before this date will not be picked up from the source system where it is the query is sent. Okay, so there are some customers are saying that okay, my old data is not getting replicated, and that is not possible because of this date actually. Then we will have a look at the cost center replication. As you know, the cost center, so we have this three systems. This is the financial system, that is PICO. Then we have this employee central, and then we have this payroll. Okay, so the cost center replication works like the opposite, that is okay, ECP, or I would say SAP system to employee central. Okay, so this is happening this opposite direction. Okay, the cost center application again, it is cost centers which are in financial system. Those are sent to employee central. Okay, and this cost center is assigned to the employee. Once this cost center is assigned to employee, then employee in payroll employee cost centers will be used assigned. Okay, and using this payroll, the posting is getting going to happen to the PICO system. So this is actually unique architecture where cost centers you need to define on the uh, SAP system only, and this cost centers will be replicated to employee central automatically. Automatically means there are standard programs that obviously you need to schedule on the back end of SAP system. What those programs will do, that those will pick up the cost centers based on your delta. Okay, changes into the cost center, and obviously first time the full replication will happen, but later on the delta replications are going to happen. And this schedule you need to put as per your requirement. Basically, generally we send the cost center in a day, once in a day actually, scheduling of the cost centers, because those are not generally changed quite frequently. So the cost centers are pushed to EC systems and assigned to the employees, and then the posting is happening. So this is again kind of a cost center replication architecture. Okay, we will go to next. So here we have PTP replication. PTP replication stands for point to point replication. Point to point replication, it's, if you can see here, we don't have a middleware, so we have only I'll just put okay, so we have SAP employee central system here, and we have employee central payroll system here, and here middleware is missing. Very good. So middleware in PTP replication we don't have the middleware. So basically uh, PTP replication is actually a point to point replication, so it is actually pointing from one system to another system, field based integration. And this is again a standard solution given by SAP for EC to ECP replication. Okay, so again, we have this program HR SAPC underscore PTP REBL replication, so employee master data replication PTP. So this program is actually it's sending the query request to ECP, sorry, EC, and from EC, using the compound apply API query, it is actually sending the data back to ECP, and ECP based on the setting, that is config ID, company code, pay group filter, full transaction start date, per hour mapping table, and no, last run table, everything. So it actually uh, updates the data into the ECP system, employee central payroll system, and once it updates the logs and everything on employee central payroll side, then it is sending back the replication confirmation to employee central system. So in data replication monitor, we have three different status: in progress, successful, failed. In progress is the status, means the the replication has been sent to employee ECP system, but there is no confirmation has been received. Successful means data is sent from EC to ECP, and the update has already happened and it is successful, so it will have the. And failed means it sends the data, but it failed to update on the ECP side, so it will have the failed status. So this is actually the PTP replication architecture. So this is again standard solution by SAP, using different mapping tables and kind of basic authentication and all other things you need to work upon, also look upon actually. uh, there is also some beauty, there is some differences, beauties, and uh, some kind of features available with EC2 S4HANA integration using business integration builder as well as PTP replication. What problem I found in PTP replication is that, okay, less kind of less log is available generally, because in BTP replication, BIP replication, we have the CPI to check what is coming and what is going. Okay, but in PTP replication we don't have that chance. So that is what I found. But this is how the architecture is working upon. So if you like this video regarding the replication framework, then please like this channel and subscribe to my channel as well. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and so that I get some motivation to create similar videos for you regarding the SAP stuff actually. Thank you for your time.